Greetings, one and all. This is Eric Dillerman, your course manager over here at UT OnRamps. Now that we're practicing social distancing, collaborating with our partners just isn't as easy as when we were able to be face-to-face with them. So let's look at a couple tips and tricks on how we can facilitate communication and planning as a group, even if we're sitting in our own living rooms. Even though you're designing a presentation that can be given on a stage, much like a TED Talk, the project that you're turning in is going to be a PDF that is exported from either a Google slide or a PowerPoint. If we're looking at this from a collaboration standpoint, it's pretty clear that Google Slides is the best platform to use. The main reason is that all of the group members can use it at one time and you can collaborate asynchronously. Make sure that whoever begins the slide shares it by clicking this share button in the upper right and shares that with all of their group members so that everybody can be editors on the same slide. My next piece of advice to you is to put together a skeleton outline of what the presentation is going to look like. Don't worry about filling your slides up with content and with data visualizations yet. Rather, set up your slides so that you know what order the materials are going to go in, that you have everything that's required and asked for on the rubric, and that you're able to plan to collaborate and work together to fill out all of these slides and sections. So when you're working asynchronously, how do you communicate with one another? My recommendation to you is that you use the comment system. That can be found under the Insert menu, and down near the bottom, there is the comment function. When you want to make a comment on a particular slide, select that and type in what it is that you want to convey to your group members, whether you completed something, whether there's still some to-dos on that slide, or whether you want to assign a task to somebody else within your group on that particular slide. This way, you and your group members have an ongoing communication about who is doing what and who completed what, which is very important when you're not sitting next to somebody shoulder to shoulder. The speaker notes section down at the bottom is essentially your script. If we were to watch your live presentation on the stage, who would be saying what on a particular slide? You do not need to fill each slide with text. You need to fill each slide with something that is visually striking, and then put what it is that you will be discussing about that slide in the speaker's notes. A lot of groups will make the mistake of copy pasting a ton of text onto a slide and really making it visually unappealing and very difficult to understand. So make your slides themselves very clear, very crisp, very striking, and make the dense material of your talk present in the speaker's notes. Another powerful collaboration tool that you may already be familiar with, especially if you're a gamer, is Discord. Once you download this app, you can easily install it on your computer, and when you load it up, asks you to create an account. Once you've done that, you're able to create your own Discord server where you can chat with text, you can share documents, you can voice and video chat with your group members. Another cool thing about Discord is that it has its own Chrome version, so if you're running a Chromebook, you can still get onto Discord. Also, it's available on the Play Store and the App Store so that you can get on the action on your phone as well. I hope that was a good series of tips and tricks to at least get you started. Coming soon will be another series of tutorials in which I will walk you through different components of the project and how I recommend that you tackle them in this new school from home environment. And so this is Eric Dillerman, your course manager here at UT OnRamps, wishing you all the success and luck collaborating with your teammates to pull together the most amazing project that you're capable of given the interesting circumstances in which we live. Take care, y'all.